decision has been given by the UGC chairman, and that says that universities in India can now admit students twice a year. Now this would be in line with the foreign universities. The idea is, if the examination is delayed, if certain board results are delayed, if certain sessions are delayed, if there is a health issue, if there is a personal issue, there is no need to wait for one entire year to get admission. So based on that, there would be two modes under which the admission would be granted biannually, and that would be the open and the distance learning and online mode, not the physical regular classes. Very important to note. So if the student has an option that they want to get into the December cycle or the second semester when it runs, then they can enroll with an open and a distance learning mode or an online mode, and that would save at least 6 months of their degree program. So important, must take into account, and more topics familiar to this we would be covering in the upcoming sessions. If you have any questions or queries, feel free to connect back, and here is the comprehensive preparation resource for your use. Thanks for joining in.